Hey guys, you have probably heard about character consistency feature in Midjourney. I have been playing with it for a couple of days and it is great, it works. But I was wondering if this could work on something else than a human, like a food or a brand product. And let's find out. So I have generated this image of sneakers made by Nike, but as I am looking at it, I really think that this is some kind of janitor on a Death Star from Star Wars. I am waiting for some stormtrooper to appear there. So let's use this image and let's find out if we could replicate this to other assets just by using character consistency feature. So let's jump into Midjourney. It is just a couple of days that I switched to Midjourney Alpha and I really like it, but I'm still in the phase of figuring things out. It is a bit different than how it works in Midjourney, but it definitely looks much better.
It looks better that way.
So let's start create our prompt. First I will bring that original sneakers image here and start typing. Actually, it provides me with the description, which is really convenient and I like it. And let's change something with blue in the forest environment. Let's make it landscape. You don't have to type it in this way because in Alpha you can just set it here, but I'm accustomed to do it from Discord. And let's use cref function and copy this link here. Don't forget to add a space in between the link and the parameter, and let's hit generate. I'm really curious about how this will turn out. Okay, we are definitely in the forest, and as you can see, it works. So you can use character consistency also with non-human images like products or I guess food, anything else, because this looks really great. Let's do another one. Let's try macro close-up shot with blue trousers. Let's switch trousers for socks and I want those to be red. In the forest, no, in the sci-fi environment, and maybe just to spice it up a little bit, let's add with a sticker of stormtrooper placed on the shoe. Well, each generation looks even better. I don't see that sticker that I prompted. Maybe here it put it on a sock, but I'm pretty sure that with a couple of tries I could place that sticker on that shoe, but I don't want to waste time on it. But what's important is that this shoe is really consistent. Of course, it doesn't look 100% the same each time, because in here you can see the Nike logo is in orange. On the other version it is not, and also this has leather part in the front of a shoe, and here it's different. Maybe just this one does have that net texture here, but maybe if we could get much better image or kind of like product photo shoot without any stylization, I think that this changes a lot. So apart from a couple of bugs, I think it really works and it's great. Okay, so what does it mean? You don't have to use character consistency right from the beginning, because if you are in the phase of looking for what visuals do you want, there's no need for this. But once you will find what you like, this is a game changer. Well, I think we can agree that it works, and next time we will try food or anything else. So for now, take care.